Hello, welcome to Paper Wishes Thursday vlog. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I have some really fun cards to bring you from Art Impressions. These are called flip cards, and these are the 3 different kinds of stamps and the die mechanism that makes the actual flip card. So you'll have the little guinea pig style stamp, the octopus, as well as the sloth, and then the die. So let me show you how this works. Here is the little guinea pig guys, and they're so cute. Debbie made this card. So as you can see, how this works is you have the little images on the front, and when you open the flip card, it flips around. She says happy on the front, birthday on the other side, and then the little guys are there at the bottom holding up your greeting, which is adorable. So let me show you how this is made. All the instructions are written here on the back of the die, which is a crucial piece. So if you're going to make this particular card that Debbie made, you would need the little guinea flip card stamps as well as the die mechanism. So how this works is your paper is actually going to be 5.5 inches wide by 6.5 inches long, and then you use a piece of washi tape or stencil tape to secure this die across the card. It's 3 1/4 inches from the top of the card. And as I said, all of this information is written here very clearly on the back of the die packaging. Then you run this through your die cutting machine and you would get this type of card, okay? And what's important about this is you can do this on just plain cardstock, but Debbie glued 2 pieces of patterned cardstock together so that she would have a patterned paper to use for her card, and it also makes it quite sturdy. Let me show you another example. Here is the octopus. Adorable. It's your birthday with a cute little octopus, and she used pink dazzle, border dazzles on this as well. When you flip it, so it says, "It's your birthday, seize the day." And then you see the back side of the cute little octopus. So the stamps include the front and the back and the octopus, the little cupcakes, as well as the greeting. And then of course you would need the flip card die as well. And finally, this one is the sloth stamp set, which is so cute. Debbie made this one a little differently. Let me show you how. She went ahead and she used just plain gray pastel cardstock, and she stamped the sloths, the front version of the sloths, here at the top. And then she did a little fussy cutting around the top edge of those, and then she stamped them on the back as well, sort of aligning that so that when you open it, you see them as if they're standing on their little hands. It's so cute. So I would encourage you to check these out. We have a special value today, and if you click on that, you will be taken to the special value page. If you're watching us on YouTube, look at the description below, click on the link to see the money saver, and also the link to paperwishes.com, where you'll find more crafty inspiration. Thanks for joining me today.